Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 192. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 3, 5. 5 and 7 here. Means this is our 3, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this row, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 9, and a 9 here, so 2, 5. So it looks like the only place our 2 can be in that row is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. No help here. 5, 6, 7. 7 here, so 5, 6. 7 here, so 5, 6. That means that our 7 for that column has to be here. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this row now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 8s covering here and here, so our 8 must be here. 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this top row now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. That 9 makes this our 5, 9, 5. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. And for this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 4, 3. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.